really have nothing on.
You really don't. That's fucking weird.
Oh, wow.
Hit tab, watch you just have a light.
No.
What? Run laps.
Yo, who's this guy?
It's my buddy, he spawned in with shit. He didn't spawn in with anything.
Here, take this. Put my most dirtiest secrets in there. Yo, chill.
He can't even take it. Wait. Take this, man, and just start knifing him.
Hey, I like you, man. I like you.
Don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger. I am the danger.
I respect it.
I'm not gonna knife him. How's he running on a broken leg?
Daddy shit.
Oh, it's open. Someone's here. Hey, $50 back rub. You down? $50.
Huh?
$50 back rub. Stop. $50.
I'm gonna try to throw a grenade.
That last room in.
About to.
Huh?
Dude.
Well, it's not you. It's... Yep.
Oh my
Yep.
God.
Yep.
Throwing a grenade.
Guys
Is it like Russia bad?
They are. They're fucking here. They're here. The boys.
That's the boys. That's the boys.
Кому тут пизды выдать?
What the?
Yo, there's a PMC in there, guaranteed.
Да вот! Всё, зажмурился!
He just killed you?
Sean, there's some juice cannons on me. Killed one of them. Killed one. Yo, watch out, guys, watch out. What are you doing? Why are you killing me? Jose, wait. I'm under so bad, cheeky briki. You guys aren't cheeky brikis. No, fuck off. Oh my god. Thank you. He's running outside like the dark. Yeah, he's running to the other dark. Killed him.
Nice. Sounds like a 3-man actually.
You coming down middle?
No.
Killed two. I need two.
Was that you that close?
No, it's Nathan. I'm dead.